Welcome friends to our video on how coal generates electricity. Coal power is one of the most common methods of generating electricity. This video will explain how coal power plants work and the process of generating electricity from coal. Coal has been an essential source of energy for over 100 years, powering homes, businesses, and industries around the world. Coal mining begins with finding the right location. Once the coal seam is discovered, heavy machinery is used to extract the coal from underground. The coal is transported to a power plant via trains or trucks. Once the coal is delivered to the power plant, it is crushed into small pieces and then fed into a furnace. This process creates heat, which converts water into steam. The steam created from burning coal in the furnace is then channeled through a series of pipes into a turbine. The turbine has a series of blades that spin when the steam passes through it. The generator produces electricity by converting the mechanical energy generated by the turbine into electrical energy. This process involves the use of electromagnetic induction, whereby the movement of the turbine causes a magnetic field to be created around a set of copper coils within the generator. This movement induces an electrical current in the coils, which is then transformed into usable electricity by the generator. Depending on the size of the turbine and generator, this energy can be used to power anything from small-scale residential homes to large industrial complexes. Furthermore, advances in turbine and generator technology have allowed for greater efficiency and production of renewable energy sources such as wind and hydroelectric power. The electricity travels over long distances through power lines until it reaches its intended location. Coal power plants have revolutionized the way we generate electricity. They have helped in increasing access to electricity worldwide, supporting modernization, and contributing towards global energy security. Coal power plants are just one of the many forms of renewable energy sources that we can use to create a better future for our planet. Thank you for watching. For more interesting videos, please like, share, and subscribe our channel.